Dallas police released body cam video and more details about an officer-involved shooting of a man who rammed a stolen U-Haul truck into a police vehicle and shot at officers earlier this week.
Well, it's Dunhaven.
Got it.
Delta 581, they just turned on finesse.
It's gonna be a Haggis Soul.
Westbound finesse.
Going westbound on finesse towards Marsh Lane. Just
Northbound on Post.
Just turned northbound on Post.
You on Chase?
10-4, he rammed a coworker vehicle.
Fuck!
Shit! Delta 581, we're about to be going under Northwest Highway on DNT. Looks like one of their back tires is going to give out.
Which one? On the right or left?
My side. We're still southbound on Dallas North Tollway.
Fuck, dude.
We just crossed over Inwood. I think it's Inwood or Lovers.
I have no idea. You got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Coming up Mockingbird over here.
We're coming up to the Mockingbird exit. What the fuck is he doing? He said so many. Yeah, I'll just kind of stay back a little bit.
Yep.
Oh, fuck, where are we at? Still going southbound on DNT.
If somebody can get me that plate so I can put the registration info on there.
I don't have.
We need to notify the tollway of what kind of vehicle, etc.
26-foot long U-Haul.
Okay, thank you.
And to call is holding. He's with us.
You're okay, go take fill out the accident scene. Adam John 08660.
Copy.
What is this exit? Fuck.
And down is gonna take it.
We're in the exit lane for Wycliffe. Just took the Wycliffe exit. Gonna be going westbound at 2500 Wycliffe. Coming up to Maple. Please don't fuck up, sir. Don't fuck up. Don't be stupid.
Fuck.
Oh my god!
6700 something. Wrecked out, just wrecked out. Hit one vehicle. Let's get somebody to check him out. 6700 Lemon is the last address I got.
Tell the fucking ground police! Police, stop! Shots fired! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Lay on your fucking stomach! Lay on your fucking stomach! Put your arms out! Do not fucking move! Do not fucking move!
You got hands? Show me your hands! Are you ready? Are you ready?
Don't rush it.
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun? Behind him.
All right, crawl forward towards us. Crawl towards us. Keep coming. You ready? Okay. Keep coming. All right, are we ready? You ready? Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, here we go. Ready?
I got point.
Keep your hands where we can see them. Point the palms up.
Do not
Palms
fucking
up.
move.
Palms up. Okay.
Bravo 534, we need some officers out here to cover the perimeter and all of the doors of this hangar.
Got ambulance.
Hey, watch out. Let me put a tourniquet. Joseph, let me put a tourniquet on him. Alright, I'm putting a tourniquet on it.
Bravo 534, get some Buckfield officers out here. The hangar's wide open here on